Problems with a Weed Eater Mower. For homeowners who have a large lawn to mow, a Weed Eater Mower can be an effective lawn maintenance tool. Because it's a riding mower, the Weed Eater can cover a lot of ground more quickly than a traditional push or walk-behind mower. However, on some occasions, you may experience a problem with your Weed Eater Mower that prevents it from operating properly. While some of these issues may require professional assistance to resolve, you can resolve others at home once you familiarize yourself with their symptoms. Difficult to start. If the Weed Eater won't start at all, fill the fuel tank with fresh fuel because stale fuel may make starting the mower more difficult. Next, examine the air filter and clean away any debris, or replace the filter if it's too clogged to be sufficiently cleaned. Your mower may also have trouble starting if the spark plug is bad, so check to see if it's worn or damaged and replace if necessary. Test the mower's battery as well because a dead or weak battery can also prevent the mower from starting effectively. Charge it if it has lost power and replace it if it cannot hold a charge. If the spark plug and battery are not experiencing any issues, clean the fuel filter or replace it. Examine the mower's wiring for damage or looseness. Finally, if you suspect that your mower is having difficulty starting because the carburetor or engine valves are out of adjustment, bring it to an authorized service center for immediate inspection. Mower vibrates excessively. In some instances, you may notice that your Weed Eater Mower vibrates excessively while in operation. In most cases, excessive vibration is due to an issue with the blades. Check to see if they are loose, worn or bent. Tighten the blade bolt if necessary and replace any damaged blades. The mower may also vibrate excessively if the blade mandrel becomes bent, so replace it if you notice that it's damaged. In addition, the mower may experience excessive vibration if other parts on the mower have become loose. Examine the mower for any obviously loose parts and tighten them. Blades don't rotate. Under some circumstances, a Weed Eater Mower's blades may fail to rotate. In most cases, this issue is due to an obstructed clutch mechanism, and once the blockage is removed, the blades can rotate freely. If there is no obstruction, check the mower drive belt to see if it's damaged or worn. Replace it if necessary. In addition, a frozen blade mandrel or idler pulley may prevent the blades from rotating. Replace either part if you determine that they're damaged. Battery won't charge. A working battery is necessary for your Weed Eater Mower to operate effectively, so when the battery becomes weakened, you must recharge it. On some occasions, the battery may fail to charge. Typically, this indicates that the battery has a bad cell and must be replaced. However, the battery may also fail to charge if there are poor cable connections during the charging. Examine the connections and clean if necessary. A defective alternator or regulator may also affect the battery's ability to charge, so replace these parts if necessary.